Hello, my name is Steve. I wanted to make a short video on how to hang a bracket for a billiard light. Through some research, I had initially went and purchased such bracket at the hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot, and it just seemed way too thin for me for the load that the billiard light's going to put on it over the years. So doing some research, I had found this beefy bracket here, which is sold at the stores under ceiling brace and box kit. The problem that I ran into is a lot of the brackets on the market are too long for our engineered truss. Engineered truss in between the boards are roughly 13 3/4 of an inch. These are about, this beefy one here is about 14 1/4, so it was too much. So what I had to do is I had to make a jig out of some 2x4s and pull the pieces apart and basically pop it in like that and use my Sawzall after I pretty much kind of did something like that there, I guess you could say, and had my wife hold the side, and I Sawzalled it off. Once you Sawzall about an inch off at each side of the bracket, they put back together, and then you have a nice fit in between your engineered truss. So let me show you those. These are the engineered truss that I have here. The spot that I'm trying to fit it into is right there, and like I said, it was too big. And so the problem was that the bracket was too big, so I just had to Sawzall it down. Once you Sawzall it down, it fits in there nicely. And then you have these holes on each side. So the two bottom holes will go into the middle of the meat of that piece of wood right there beautifully. The top two will be a little high, but no big deal. You can still put screws in it, and it will prevent the download from putting extra strain on those other bottom two. So it's going to fit beautifully after I get it up in there. I had to find center of the trusses here for the pull table light with the room. We're going to go with the 8-foot pull table. So I just wanted to make a quick little video to show you that there is options out there. There's an option out there for engineered truss. You just got to do a little work to get it smaller, and don't go with this smaller one. These are good for lights, but if you're going for something heavy, billiard light, heavy chandelier, go with this big boy here. To buy you a peace of mind. It says ceiling fans up to 70 pounds, light fixtures up to 210 pounds. So my billiard light's 41 pounds, so I'll be good to go on that.